international capacities, international expertise to the universities, do crash courses. आजकल 6 महीने के कोर्स में बच्चे पढ़ जाते हैं. Not to undermine the importance of degrees, but the jobs of the future are hardly, they're more concerned with your skill level. They're more concerned with what kind of result-oriented approach do you have, what kind of hands-on skills do you have, whether it's AI, whether it's whether it's these machine learning, blockchain, Web3, जो मर्जी आप नाम जितने मर्जी लेते जाएं. These things are more skill-oriented now as opposed to degree-oriented per se. So on both sides of the table, and as we take the new government, we will also be putting in our maximum effort to bridge the skills gap that is there. जैसे कि अभी last presentation में बात हुई कि अगर 130 million jobs create हो रही हैं तो 400 million jobs obsolete भी हो रही हैं. मगर उन 130 million के takers कौन हैं? वो हमारे young बच्चे होने चाहिए. You should be the first ones to raise your hands to take those jobs. So उस skills gap को bridge करना हमारा भी काम है. दुनिया बहुत evolve हो गई है. आपको भी उसके अंदर अपना contribution डालना होगा. आपके पास भी वो opportunity available है. और हमें मिल के we need to come up with policies, with strategies. We need to upgrade ourselves, our curricula, our institutional thought processes, our workforce, our students, to a point where we do not miss this bus and miss this opportunity that is available to us globally. अगर हम आज इसमें पीछे रह गए, we're already by the way quite behind, but we can catch up still with the kind of workforce that we have, with the kind of youth population that we have. But we will have to put in immense effort, immense investment in these areas in order to come up to the mark, to global standards, where a young population will be able to, inshallah, eventually be the top, amongst the top leaders in these fields. So let's, sit here and pledge all of us that we will all put in our best efforts on individual level as well as collectively on an institutional level to build our capacities to a point where we are able to evolve as a society and come up to the standards of this new economic, technological landscape that is there before us globally, that presents us with a lot of opportunities, and we need to be the first takers of that opportunity. That I would like to thank you all for listening to me.